This little elephant actually chased that herd of zebras away so they could drink alone. Elephants are fairly selfish in that.
Elephants are very protective over water. So no other animal will actually have a chance to come and drink except buffalo. Buffalo don't take elephants' nonsense. But zebras and things like that, they just have to patiently wait until the elephants are finished. These ones are nice. These are the bird shorts.
All of a sudden, okay, zebras, it's your turn.
They're coming right at the bus.
You see how quickly the zebras move in?
Yeah, elephants gone, zebras in.
It's amazing, right?
And these are just random pics of elephants and the zebras as we moved along.